today I'm going to open my Singer Simple Model 3223. So, nabili ko po siya sa Lulu and it cost 559 with 10 dirhams shipping fee. Naisip kong matutong manahe kasi parang ang dami natin pwedeng gawin aside from repairing our pants and shirts. We can also create our own face mask, surgical cap, and lots of other things, simple things. So I realized that life is full of opportunity rather than spending the whole day watching a movie Netflix or browsing the Facebook. It's better if we will just develop our skills. So let's start. So, ito na po yung ating Singer sewing machine. It comes with a bag. Okay. Protective cover. Pwede pang cover sa dust. It has a instructional DVD. Okay. And Singer instruction manual. Let's open. Hey! So first, it has paddle here. So first time ko po itong nagkakaroon ng sewing machine. Never pa po akong nanahi except nung bata pa ako. And medyo nakalimutan ko na po yun. Parang sa HE, Home Economics, meron din subject na ganito. Pero since hindi nga ako masyado ng focus, limot ko na siya. Okay. Yung pedal, tsaka yung saksakan. And let's have a closer look. Okay. Excited match. Actually, hindi ko pa alam yung mga parts nito. So, balak kong pumunta ngayon sa tailor para magpaturo. Pero, I'm gonna watch the DVD first. So, that's it. Balitaan ko po kayo sa next na video ko kung ano ang progress ko. Kasi bala kong gumawa ng air condition cover and simple face mask. Thank you po. Bye-bye.